Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this chromatic glitch and zoom effects to your videos in CapCut. So first, just prepare the clips and click on the transition box. Click on the blur category and then select this hexagonal zoom transitions. Click on a check icon and now go to the video effects. Click on the glitch category, then select the chromatic effect. Click on the check icon, make it short and put it in between the clips like this. Okay, now click on the second clip, go to animation, combo, and then select the zoom 1 animation. Okay, this one, click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.